Deprem oluyor gene. Gel. Kaçıyor. Arkadaşlar. Koş. Koşun. Allah'ım bu nasıl iş?
On February 6, 2023, at 4:17 a.m. local time, a devastating magnitude 7.8 earthquake struck southern Turkey near the city of Gaziantep, close to the Syrian border. Just 9 hours later, a second powerful quake measuring magnitude 7.7 hit the region, compounding the destruction. These two earthquakes are considered among the deadliest in Turkey's modern history. The tremors affected 11 provinces in Turkey, including Kahramanmaraş, Hatay, Gaziantep, Adıyaman, Malatya, and Şanlıurfa. In Syria, the northern regions, already suffering from years of civil conflict, were hit hard as well, particularly the cities of Aleppo and Idlib. Buildings collapsed instantly, burying thousands under rubble. Temperatures were near freezing, complicating rescue efforts. Survivors had to endure cold nights without shelter, food, or water. Roads, airports, and other infrastructure were damaged, making it difficult for rescue teams and aid to reach the hardest-hit areas. Within the first 24 hours, over 570 aftershocks were recorded, many of them stronger than magnitude 4. By the end of the week, the number of aftershocks had surpassed 2,000. Koşun. Rescue workers from around the world arrived to assist with search and rescue missions. Dogs, drones, and thermal imaging devices were deployed to detect signs of life beneath the rubble. The human cost was catastrophic. By February 10th, the death toll had risen to more than 22,000. As the days went on and more bodies were recovered, the number kept climbing. By February 20th, Turkish authorities reported over 41,000 deaths in Turkey alone. In Syria, more than 5,000 people were confirmed dead. These figures continued to rise in the following weeks. Hospitals were overwhelmed. Makeshift clinics were set up in tents and open fields. Many survivors suffered from crush injuries, hypothermia, and psychological trauma. Children were separated from families, and thousands were left homeless. In addition to the human toll, the economic cost was immense. Entire city blocks were reduced to rubble. Experts estimated damages in the tens of billions of dollars. Turkey's government declared a state of emergency, and international donors pledged support.
Bir Allah'ın kulu. Evet, unutma. 112 ya.
On February 20th, another quake struck the Hatay province with a magnitude of 6.4, causing further panic and additional damage. Many buildings that had survived the earlier quakes now collapsed. This third earthquake deepened the humanitarian crisis and further complicated rescue and recovery operations. This earthquake sequence exposed vulnerabilities in building codes, especially in older constructions. As investigations began, questions were raised about whether some buildings failed to meet seismic safety standards. Despite the destruction, stories of hope emerged. After several days under rubble, some survivors, including children, were pulled out alive. Communities came together, volunteers mobilized, and international aid flowed in. The February 2023 earthquakes will be remembered as one of the worst disasters in the region's history. They left a lasting mark on the lives of millions in Turkey and Syria, a reminder of the unpredictable and devastating power of nature.